Hi everyone, my name's Hoke Smith. I'm Director of Cybersecurity and Analytics at Nuix. I'm here to showcase one of our new products, Nuix Adaptive Security, here at TechNet-Asia Pac. So Nuix has been coming to this conference for a few years here, and one of the things we've found is this is a unique opportunity to engage with our current customers and prospective ones. And we find that at this conference specifically, they share a good bit more about what they need from us, what they'd like to see in the product in the future, and we get a lot of value out of that, just the interaction with prospects. I also see a lot of openness at this particular show about the direction that things are going, and so we end up getting a lot of really valuable market insight out of our participation in the show as well. Yeah, absolutely. There's a good flow of information. One thing I see is with DoD prospects specifically, they're willing to share, what are the problems that they're facing? What are the things that they want to see in our software? We're a software company, so it's really important for us to get frank and honest feedback from our customers and from prospects. And at this show, we typically get a level of feedback that we don't see in other shows. We also get exposure. We get a huge amount of exposure from being here to the very specific DoD customer sets that we're interested in. And we're starting to see, even beyond the DoD, some really interesting conversations that have started as a result of being here. So we attend, again, to meet new prospects. That's one of the things. We're a software company, so meeting new folks who are potential customers for our product is the lifeblood of what we do and really important. And this show provides us access to a certain part of our target customer set. It's very hard to get to. A lot of times these folks are not at a lot of other shows, but at TechNet-Asia Pac, we are able to interact with them and generally interact with them at a pretty deep level. It's not just a quick booth conversation here usually. It's a much longer conversation about what they need, where they see things going, what problems they're facing, and that's very valuable for us. Well, that's an interesting question. For the region, I think one of the things that's interesting about this conference is the focus on cybersecurity, which is a really important issue. And at times it's difficult to get large enterprises motivated to deal with cyber. So I'm glad to see that Asia Pac focuses attention on that issue, and I think that's a useful thing for the region. I also see, again, a level of dialogue among the participants here that I think is very helpful for the region as a whole, just to come to grips with the problems that they're facing. Talk things out, and I think it's also a benefit.